So let's start to create service connection. Okay, here we can create service connection in two ways. One is manual, second one is the automation. Okay, so if we want to create a service connection, we need some things. Okay, we there are what we say, we can create a service connection in two ways, that is manual and automate. Okay, let's let's try to create service connection by manual. Okay, with manual things. So if we want to create a service connection, we need subscription ID. Okay, whatever it is, your subscription ID is in Azure or AWS, whatever it is. Okay, you have to subscription ID. Second one is the name of the resource, sorry, name of the subscription, and client secret, and uh, TNet ID. Okay, these things we need. Okay, these four things we need. Okay, from where you can get these things, from where you can get these things to first, we are working with Azure, so we have to log into Azure portal. There we can find all this stuff. Let's go to Azure portal. This is Azure portal interface, user interface. So first what we need subscription name and subscription ID. Okay, let's copy them, go to subscriptions, or else you can search here subscription. So go to subscription. So you can able to see uh, multiple subscription here in organization, but in our case we have only one subscription. So click on it. So this is your subscription ID and this is your subscription name, this one. Okay, let's let's copy this one, subscription ID, and go to here and paste them. Next, copy the subscription name, go to here and paste here. I'm just collecting the data. Okay, so I haven't uh, tried to create the service connection yet. Okay, I just collecting the data from uh, a portal. Okay, so first the two details of subscription name and subscription ID we have collected it. But next, what the things we need client secret and TNet ID. From where we can get it? Okay, to get these things we have to create app registration. Okay, we have to create app registration from the portal only. Okay, so go to the portal, in the search bar, search for app registration. Here you can go with app registration, so click on app registration. So actually there are multiple app registration with me, but we can create a new one for our purpose. So click on new registration, give it name. uh, okay, I just give this name, but in your case you can give a multiple connection. So currently there are multiple options we have, but uh, it is up to you, it is up to you, but in our case I am selecting only single net. Okay, I don't want to create multi-tenant. So just in this case, I want to create only single tenants. So that's the reason I'm selecting single tenant. Then click on register. Leave it as it is, remaining things. Okay. This is the service connection which we have created just now. Okay. Now what we want to collect the data? What the data? The data name is client secret and tenant ID. Okay. So collect it. From where you can collect it? Go to overview here. In the overview, you can find the all the details here, required details. Tenant ID is this. Nothing but director ID you can call it as. So copy is and paste here. I forget one more thing. We need a client ID as well. Okay. From same thing, from same portals, from same page, we can collect the client ID from here. So collect it and paste here. Now remaining is client secret is we have to get it. From where you can get this thing? Okay. We have to create this. From where you can create? From where we can create? Okay. Go to same. You just we have created a app registration na? So in the same page, in the left side panel, there are multiple options we have. Under manage, there is a certificates and secrets option. Select this. So we need secret, not certificate, correct? So just you can use either certificate or secret. It is up to you. But in our case, we are going to create a secret. So that's the reason I'm selecting a client secret. Here you can find the option called new client secret. Click on it and create. So you can give a name as it is or whatever it is. It's up to you. I'm just giving the name. Practice is spelling mistake. Yeah, practice. Click on add. It will create a secret. Okay, it will expire on this. If you observe, there are value and secret ID. Okay, but we have to copy this secret value because if once we close this uh, or once we move to other section, it will not be able to visible to us. Okay, so just copy this and paste in somewhere in secure place. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to authenticate and coming to certificate again. Okay, I think we have to close this thing maybe. Okay, but all application practice service connection certificates. See now this value is encrypted, so that's why we have to store this value some secure place. Okay, now all the data we have collected which are needed to create service connection manually. Okay, let's let's try to create service connection manually. First we have to go to Azure DevOps portal, open any project for which project you are going to create service connection. Select that project, open that project. In this project, go open project settings. Under pipelines, in the project setting under pipeline, we will find service connection. Click on it, select it. There are no service connections as of now. Okay, we have to create a service connection. Okay, it will see service connection help us to manage So now we can create service connection. So if you observe here, service connection help us manage, protect, and reuse of authentication to external services. Okay, secure. Uh, we can access and we can manage uh, external services in secure manner with this service connection. Okay, let's try to create a service connection manually. Okay, click on create service connection. If you observe, there are multiple external services we have here. Okay, but in this case we are going to access azure azure resources. So for that we have to select azure resource managers. Okay, click on it, click on next. Here it will show multiple authentication methods. Okay, that is automation or manual or service things. Okay, here we are going to create manually with service principal because we have registered a service app registration, right? That is one of the service. Okay, so click on it, service principal manual, and next. So we are going to create in Azure cloud only, right? So that's why we are going to create only Azure cloud. It's a global. Now if you observe, there are multiple columns it is asking. So we have to enter subscription ID first, which we have copied. Copy this, go to here and paste here. We have pasted subscription ID. Let's check whether there is a gap or not. There is no gap as of now. Next we have to fill subscription name. Copy the name of the subscription. Again check where there is any gap before or after. There is no gaps. Next, service principal ID, which is nothing but client ID. You can find the name below. Okay, we have to give client ID. Open it and copy this thing, paste here. Let's check again. Yeah. Now we need to give service principal key and tenant ID. Okay. Service principal key is nothing but your key, that secret, client secret. Okay, so copy that secret, paste here. Now tenant ID, copy this thing as well from here and paste there. Copy it, paste here. Now if you give all the details, once you give all the details, you have to verify it. Click on verify. It is showing verification failed. Let's see the error once. Failed query service connection. Okay. So because we are getting this error for this app registration which we have created, okay, that app registration does not have access to our subscription. Okay, so give access to that app registration first. Okay, for that we can go to portal again, copy this app registration name, go to home, open subscription, click on freetail or which subscription you want to give access, open that subscription. Go to access control IAM, click on add role assignment. Here go to the privilege administrator role. Here you can find in the role section there is a two things, job function role and privilege administrator role. So go to privilege administrator role. Here we can find contributor. Okay, click on it, contributor. Now select member. It is asking member or group or service principal. Okay, we need to give service principal name now. So that is the reason. Paste here. This is our service principal. Okay, click on it. Now select, click on review and assign. Now we have successfully add a role to that service principal. Okay, now let's go to DevOps portal again and try to verify. See, now verification has succeeded. Now give the name of your service connection name. I will give, okay, no problem. I will give like practice SC. SC means service connection. This is my service connection name, which you get it. So click on, select this thing, because we do not want to create service connection again and again. So I am selecting this option. It will give access to all the pipelines, uh, which which we are going to create in future. Okay, so just click on verify and secure, verify and save. See, this is my service connection. Okay, this is my service connection details. Who created? Me. Yeah, it's me. Okay, this is the manager we have created, the service connection manager, and these two are the details of your service connection things. Okay, this is how we can create service connection manually. Okay, now the next process is how to create service connection with automation. Okay, it is very simple, no need to do anything, just we have to select it. This will automatically take all the details of below and create service connection. Okay, let's understand this by creating service connection with automation. Okay, now go to same, now go to service connection, same path, service connection path, click on new service connection, select the thing for which uh, service you want to connect. Okay, in our case we are going to create service connection for Azure resource manager. Click on next. If you see, there is a option called service principal automation. Okay, so just select that one, click on next. It will try to pop up our service connection. I mean it will take authentication, who have access uh, of Azure portal. Okay, it will ask for authentication. Just wait for uh, some time, it will ask the service connection. See, let's, before going to enter your credential, first check the subscription ID whether both are same or not, which are present in Azure portal and here. Okay, now we have already copied to clipboard, right? So just like this is a last four digits E001, E001, both are matching. So it's authenticated one. So just give your credentials now. Click on next, enter your password, sign. If subscription, I mean, if you enter appropriate details, authentication details, it will enable this thing. It will show how many resource groups are available in your subscription. Okay, there are only three subscription in my subscription, so that is the reason it is showing. So I am selecting this. um, okay, no problem, I'm selecting this. Click on service connection name. You have to enter the name of the service connection. I will give this automate. Okay, same thing, select this thing. If you want to give description, you can give. It's up to you. So make sure every time when you are going to create a new service connection, either it is manual or by automation, you have to select this option, grant access permission to all the pipelines. So click on save. It is setting up the connection. See, now we can able to see the automated service connection which we have created now. This is who created, it's me. And if you want to check the details of your service principal and all the things, go to here, manage service connection role and manage service principal. But it will not open here because uh, you have to open these things in um, here. It will otherwise you can go to the app registration again here, because every time it will register app registration before. Click on app registration, go to all applications. Here see, practice service connection which we have created just now. But there is one more thing. Yeah, see this one, 24th 5 2024, which we have created now. Okay, this is our service principal things. See, this is the client id and this is the tnet id. Secrets, if you observe, secret also it's automatically created. This is, but if you are trying to create service connection by using automation method, but in the background it will create app registration, secrets and client secret and everything. What are the details we have used for manual procedure, same will happen in automation as well. But in manual we are doing, but in automation method, Azure, I mean Microsoft team is handling or creating this whole process with automation. Okay, this is how we can create service connections from Azure DevOps portal. I hope it is clear to you.